So what's up guys, in this video we're going to be playing Find the Markers, and it's a long time ago I've shown you guys this. I think I've shown you this time once. So you literally just go to the house and find a lot of markers. As you can see here, 1 found, 2 found, and there's obviously one on the 3rd floor, and there's one I think on the second floor, but I don't know, but I'm gonna check it in the other video, maybe I'll do. And there I jumped down, almost stuck there, bro. Okay, and now I'm gonna go like to the pool or what this is to find 2 or 3 markers. I think it's 2, no 3. There's 3 of them. Or you have to do the task for him, like the quest. Okay, find this one. He was pretty easy. And then teleport back to spawn. Get those. Wait, I've never seen this thing before. I don't know what to do with it or something, but let's go in the gallery. And this is the last marker I'm gonna show you in today's video. He's right there. As you can see, maybe not, because he was literally blurred in. Bye.